Hello guys, I'm back again. If you're new to the channel, click notification icon, subscribe to the channel, like the video for encouragement. Okay, today guys, this is basic stuff for the beginners. Okay, I'm teaching a simple song that will help you to get moving. So what I did is, okay, it's on the keyboard. Okay, it was like this on the keyboard. Then I punch in 179. Okay, after that, on the dual button, on the transpose button, okay, hold the dual, then press 398. After that, while holding the dual, then come here, then decrease the volume up to 85. See, then you've done your settings. Have a piece of a peg, modulate, then you are good to go. Okay, just forget that. Okay, so today I'm teaching about ingometi obayede nkosi yami. Okay, I'm gonna use positive 5. C sharp, I'm using positive 5. Okay, my transpose is positive 5. Okay, so it's basic. This one is for the beginners, guys, as you can see the title. Okay, it goes like this. Sculling all right. See, break it down more further. Okay, I'm not going to count, you will count yourself. Minor chord, but let's forget it, because naman it's basic stuff. I'm forgetting, guys. Beginners, total beginners. This is advanced kancane, but yeah, I like to just ungene ngale route, ungalebeli ufunda like step by step too much. Guys, oh my, Yeah, this is the right thing. Advanced stuff. Number 25. You press to style, then press number 25, then bring the tempo down to 48. Oh, then press variation here. Oh, so simple, so simple, so simple. C sharp. Because you want to alternating, or you don't have to, you mustn't play one thing until it's your playing, and don't forget to variate here. Play, do fill in. Okay, one last time. Sisi goqa. Very simple song, basic one. You need to know it, like practice it. We learn comfortably. See, that's it. Make sure you check other videos on beginner stuff, on beginners like playlist, or like, yeah, that's it guys. Subscribe to your channel and click the notification icon. Please feel free to hit me with a donation. My number is 0813589482. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. My donations, this channel is not making a lot of money. Thanks guys, have a great day. Shall see you next tutorial.